Today we learn TextField, how to take user input. Every app asks the user to type something, a name, a password, a message, a search term. TextField is the box where the user types. The most important thing is the controller. With a text editing controller, you can access the typed text inside your code. Declare the controller at the top of your class. Input decoration handles the styling of the field. Label text is the text that floats above when the field is empty. Hint text is the gray text inside, like type here. Outline input border draws a border around the field on all four sides. Set obscure text to true and passwords are hidden. They appear as dots. OnChanged runs code on every keystroke. This is how live search works. One important note: you must dispose the controller to avoid memory leaks. Practice. Build an app with a text field and a button that prints controller.text. Type something, press the button, check the console. TextField is the base of login, sign up, chat, and search features.